As a former personal trainer turned desk jockey, I can relate to Lisa's story and how she helps her clients. I've trained countless of clients who have felt this exact same way, and I wish I would have known her back then when I was training. Being a woman entering her 40s and getting ready to start a family for the first time, I know stress, changing nutritional habits, age, and toxicity are taking their toll. I admit I am feeling some compounding effects, and they aren't pretty, and it's scary. I know I must do something and get my health back on track. I need to get to the root of my body's unique needs to find great health and energy. That's why it's been such an immense relief that my best friend recommended that I check out and connect with Lisa Rufsholm. I'm so glad I did. So how did I get started? I downloaded the 17 tips and journal and took advantage of her bonus phone call. And I took the free 5-day challenge. I was so impressed with Lisa and her knowledge and resources and her accountability. I'm a firm believer in testing instead of guessing. And I'm looking forward to really moving forward with her and getting my body and energy ready for my next chapter. God knows I'm going to need it. So take the step to get your energy back like I did and click the link below.